In the heart of Cambodia lies one of Southeast Asia's last great wildernesses, the Cardamom Mountains. For 8 unforgettable days, we leave the ordinary behind and ride into the unknown. This expedition takes us deep into Cambodia's wild and untamed landscapes. Ride remote jungle trails where nature still rules, and every corner reveals a new adventure. Cross rivers, conquer rough terrain, and feel the thrill of true off-road exploration. Climb rugged mountain passes surrounded by breathtaking scenery deep in one of Southeast Asia's last great rainforests. Discover hidden waterfalls, untouched landscapes, and moments of peace far away from the modern world. Explore remote tribal villages and experience the raw beauty and authentic spirit of Cambodia. Every day brings new challenges, new terrain, and unforgettable memories for riders seeking something real. Welcome to the Cardamom Mountain Expedition, the ultimate off-road experience in Cambodia.